Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It's Saturday, and I just wanted to start off the video today with our CME chart on a weekly time frame. And as you can see, the weekly candle closed in a little bit of a bearish engulfing posture, definitely under the lowest EMA. We have started a little bit of our bear cross, 21 EMA coming down as well. If the 21 EMA crosses this 200, we should expect a push down. So what does that mean? Well, we're at the 18.5, 18.6 level right now as support, a push down, looking for that next level, maybe around 13 to 14,000, 13.8 to 14,000. So keep that in mind. And you know what we can do? We can do one of these just as a line of reference. I'm gonna just say as soon as that thing gets wicked, should have a warning. Do it that way. We'll come back to this later. I just want to leave that there as a layer of support. Yes, that's the gist. I'm gonna just add one more over here. Giggles. All right, right there. And I'm gonna leave that one right there. When price gets into this little range, I'm gonna try to execute along. Aside from that, we are waiting on a weekly next week's candle. We got to see if we open next week. Are we gonna look for upside and resistance at 21.8, or are we going to claim 21.8 and find resistance at 23.4, or are we gonna find resistance at? Either way, I'm looking for resistance. The head and shoulder situation is already playing out. I'm looking for the measured move of this, which is basically around 16-ish. Right, let's just, so it is done professionally. Something like this. I don't know why the computer is lagging. Something like that. Okay, basically coming into this region right there. Ignore that. Basically, that's where we're trying to come to, okay? The bottom of this measured move. And I'm sure people want to know the exact level-ish. I would say looking left, this one I'm going to make green. I like that. Looking left, it's basically this previous high. So if we do dump down, we do not want to break into this area. And if we do break into this area, this is a nice area to find a long consolidation. Mind you, going as low as 12.8 is gonna discourage a lot of people from taking a long, so there might be still some panic left in the market. So this is why we're giving ourselves this consolidation zone. We'll leave this like this for the CME. This is not Bitcoin spot, this is CME, okay? That's what I'm trying to see. Are we gonna find a upward movement and break into this resistance, or are we gonna just continue down, right? That was the gist that I wanted to say. And then also CME closed at 19,575. Right now, Bitcoin is at, I think, 19.8. Yeah, 19,850. So expect when Sunday comes that touch, you know, consolidating between this and 19.8. Give it like $100 for premium. So around 19,675 is where we should be seeing CME open at least, unless there's going to be a gap. So, and then Ethereum is at 1427. We're at that same level right now, so keep that in mind. Let's go take a quick look at Ethereum on the CME, and then I will let us get out of here. So we already have stuff over here on this. Let me double check. I don't like that. So let's go to Let's fib. No, that's not the setup we want. We want the OB. There you go. That's the one I want. And we need to reverse this. There. So this is what I am looking at. We can lines don't need to be that thick. There you go. So this is what I'm looking at right now. This is where the resistance is, the top side. We are under the full golden line for the short. So until we claim this level to the upside, we are still bearish. So this is my resistance that I'm looking for. If I reverse this, I can look for the support. I'll just show you that real quick. First. And then this is the support. So what we want to do is once price action gets above here, we want to use this as the long area. Right now it's bearish, okay? So I can leave this one up right now for us to know when it's time to start longing, but it's not bearish. It's actually just testing the bottom of the order block. So as long as we don't use 1370 to the downside, this is a possibility of us claiming this golden pocket and then breaking out. It's gonna take time though, okay? This consolidation is gonna take time because that sell volume on the CME and weekly this last week, all this stupid Ethereum merge, FOMO, and cash out is what got this happening. We need to give Ethereum at least a week or two for everyone else to realize that the upgrade was a positive thing. You know, this is the new coin to invest in, forget all the alts, etc., etc., etc. Let the big money accumulate now, because now all the risk of this asset is over. The only headache now is the crypto regulation that Biden is putting out. But aside from that, this is ready for accumulation and up, okay? So what we're looking for is that Wyckoff accumulation signature pattern, which is basically, if you invert your chart, it's going to look like this. This is the distribution top. Wyckoff distribution, you're looking for that Wyckoff accumulation. What that means, it could go like this, all right, and up. Obviously, we're not going into negative territories, but I mean, what is this, 270? Yeah, I mean, this is a very plausible scenario. We don't want it to go this low, obviously. I can reverse this, and then I can show you a better level. Okay. Even I'm like, can't really. That for anything. So now we have some targets to the downside, okay? So if we do break to the downside, we should be looking like something like this. This middle gap, I don't want to trade it. If this low breaks, I'm looking for this level right here. So you can take a scalp long over here at 1,000, but really I'm looking for like $600. So keep that in mind for CME. I'm going to remove this line. There you go. I'm gonna leave it this spin like this. Let's just see if this is how it plays out, because right now, until we break above here, it's bearish. We can accumulate right here. So I mean, technically it can go like this. Just claim it like this. Now if it wants to, it can accumulate right in the bottom of this order block between this FID and then go up like it did right here. So you kind of need to watch this right here and then see what the reaction of the price is under there. If we don't break 1370, I mean, why wouldn't I take a long scalp right here with a stop loss right under it, you know? And then it can do it again and again. If I get stopped out, that's fine, but eventually the trade is going to play. So that's what we're looking at on CME weekly on Ethereum. All right, now let's go to the good stuff. Let's go to the daily on Bitcoin. And then I will quickly get us out of here. Let me remove all that stuff. You don't need all that. That's for the members. So here we go. What I can show you on this right now on the daily, we are trying to put in a relief rally bounce. The 9 EMA is above the 21. That's good. Okay. What we want is now this 21 EMA, 9 EMA both going up above the 55. But this 9 EMA will be the first one to go above the 55 EMA to give you the sign, hey, people are buying it up. And then the 21 will slowly curve around and go up. And then you'll start having open and closes as EMAs are crossing to confirm. Okay. Right now, it's a little bit of a precarious situation because the 21 EMA will be resistance. I did scalp some longs of Ethereum today, and I shorted Luna C. All my trades are closed, and I will be on the Discord today sharing trades all day while I'm trading. So feel free to join our Discord. The description is in the bottom of this video. All right, so back to this. As I was saying, I'm looking for a test into this $20,400, $500 area for the rejection. If we can get that and above, we're going to use the 9, so maybe 20,008. So between 20,005 to 20,800, we're looking for a test to see if it's going to be a rejection for downward movement, aka putting in that little shoulder right now. Okay, if we do claim it, then this will be right now we can either do a head and shoulder formation or we can do an accumulation W. Okay, what we're going to do is we're waiting price action to tell us which direction it wants to go. You can take any trade you want with stop losses well defined, as in if you're taking a long, you should have a stop loss and it's like consolidation area, and if you're taking a short, you should have a stop loss above the resistance and just let the stop hit accordingly. Your price action should not be breaking the range unless it's weekend magic, which it is right now, but still the traders are protecting the levels properly. Like if you go above this level right here, about 22.9, you know that this 100 EMA is the last level of resistance before you go all the way to 28. So why are you going to take another $5,000 loss? Over here right now, with upside, you got resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and every accumulation level, consolidation level is resistance to the upside. Downside, okay, now if you look for the path of least resistance, where's your resistance to the downside? You have none. It's empty and open. So it's like, this is where you need to be careful. The issue is right here. See, looking left, this is the consolidation. We're at the bottom. If you lose this consolidation, you're going to consolidate all the way to the bottom of 16,300-ish. So keep that level in mind here. Full market, 16.3. I didn't want to have all this other stuff there, but yeah, 16.3. Okay, so we have to see where the support is going to come in, and only price action will let us know. As of right now, it's not looking that bad, but the resistance is up there, so price action has to prove the bullish path. Otherwise, downside is more likely. Now let's go to the 4-hour to get a better clue of what's going on today, because it's weekend. And right now we are protecting this level. If you look, we are protecting that level. Oh, sorry about that, guys. We are basically protecting this level. If you can see my dashed line cursor, this level right here, we had a lot of liquidity trapped right here. What happened was you had a move right under that level, so all those people got stopped, all that liquidity got stolen, and now we're up above the 9 EMA, bull flag consolidation, looking for higher. Probably going to test into the 21 and up, because you already tested into the 21 once and you failed. You're not gonna be able to reject over and over and over because the liquidity for the shorts will dry out. So you're gonna probably go and test the top of the resistance, which is this 55 at 20,400, since you already tested the bottom, took all the liquidity, and now you're trying to stop out shorts. Lots of people had a stop loss under here. You already took that money. Now you gotta go for the money that's up top for the stop losses on the shorts. That's what's happening right now. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a touch and a rejection around 20,400, 500. And if it doesn't come, that means we got rejected from 20K, and then we can look for lower right now. We could go right to 18.65, whatever. So that's what we're looking for on Bitcoin. Now let's go back to the daily on Ethereum. We are gonna get you out of here. Ethereum, I took my longs at the 1420 level. The 1420 level has given so many beautiful trades and profitable ones. I am not going to fight that level. 1400 to 1420 long scalps. What was the top? Like 1630, I believe. 1620 to 1630, we were shorting. So that's the level. 1500 is like the midline of deciding what we want to do in that level. Right now, Ethereum is in a bearish posture. All the EMAs are diving down. Price action is down. Volume is slowing down, but it's not completely out. We need to wait for this daily candle to show us where it wants to close. If we don't make a new low from yesterday's low, then we have the possibilities of going sideways and up for Sunday. As of right now, nothing is looking that great. All the EMAs are in a bearish posture. Okay, go to the 4 hour. Even if we do go sideways and up, I'm looking for resistance probably first over here at 1550, and then probably at our 1600, 1630 level. You know, we should probably expect that resistance there. But to the downside, I'm looking for support at around 1300 to 1250, and that's where my next long will be, right at the tip of this little consolidation block, about 1250, 1285, 1300, around this area. Just I'm gonna DCA into a long. Sorry members, I should not be giving all this away, but every now and then we gotta help all our brothers out. So this is why we were taking longs at this level. It was being protected for a while. We even took the liquidity, and now we're trying to claim this 9 EMA. Once we do claim it, like how we did with Bitcoin, we should probably gun to the 21, stop out a bunch of shorts, because we already took some liquidity from the longs. So now it's about shorts, and we'll see where we go from there. I should be getting into a long right now, but we're making this video. So as soon as I get out of this video, a quick peek at the 15-minute. Yeah, this is a nice area to take along. You just got to be careful that it doesn't come to sweep this liquidity. So you can have a stop loss like right here, 14.15. If it comes back onto this wick, just let it go, and you could re-scoop along later. But right now, this thing is trying to go probably test to the 100 or the 200 just to stake out all those other shorts that stacked yesterday in fear and panic. So let's see how this plays out. Members are already aware. We took longs at 1420. We're gonna let it ride, and we're gonna go from there. All right. Well, that's what we are looking at, guys, on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's see how everything plays out tomorrow. Everything is really oversold, so I would expect upside. So be very careful of shorting the bottom. And if you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you in the next video. If you have any other assets you would like to cover, leave it in the comment section below. And if you just think my TA is garbage and I have a funny voice, please leave a comment in the section below. Everything helps the YouTube algorithm spread my love. So please, please, please just say, hey, how's your day? I don't care. Aside from that, if you would like to join us in our Discord, please feel free. The description of the video below has the link directly to that Discord group, and we will be trading and scalping there probably all day. And if there are other questions, feel free to ask there and you'll get it right away. Last but not least, please, please, please do me a great favor and like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, press that bell button notification if you haven't already, and please, please, please press that thumbs up so that way YouTube can spread this video to the others. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. I will see you tomorrow for the next video. Trade safe and see you in the Discord for live scalps.